Hey everybody, and welcome to my shop. As you know, I am completely obsessed with my ECE toolboxes because they keep my tools safe and organized and I can travel with them, but also these boxes open up to become beautiful tool cabinets that make all my tools accessible. My only problem is I only have 2 of those and I essentially want my whole shop, all my hand tools to be organized in these beautiful boxes. So last week, my friend Gordo and I figured out a way to rebuild these complicated but genius hinges in a pretty easy way. We also made some templates for you to screenshot and download. If you want to know more about that, just check out last week's video. It's going to be linked somewhere here. This week, I want to focus on building the boxes. And I have a couple different depths that I want to play with. And most importantly, I want to know, does the cut line have to be angled? Because I think a straight cut line, of course, is easier to build, but also might be a little bit more functional. There are 3 steps to this process. First, make it work. The next step is make it pretty. And the 3rd step is make it custom. So here we go. First step, make it work. I think this is still one of my favorite tricks when building a box, is to build the box completely closed and then cut it open after the fact. That way you can always make sure it will 100% fit together. As you saw, I made things a little bit easier for myself and had the aluminum parts laser cut. What a treat. And with a template printed on an actual see-through paper, it was so easy to make. So easy. It worked every time. No failures. This is just a very reliable system. Okay, so now we made the box. Second step is make it pretty. And I do have some ideas because I think the box as it is right now looks pretty boring. The green looks perfect with the birch. I think it just makes it look more like a piece of furniture than just a toolbox. But my favorite thing is the paracord. The paracord on the handle not only allows you to have a little bit of a more comfortable handle. You might have a heavy box. It's so much nicer to carry a heavy box when it's a little bit cushioned. But most importantly, it is color coding. All these boxes look pretty much the same. So to have the handle color coded made my day. I think that looks so cool. Next step, make it custom. Here we go. I don't think I have to say much, right? This, to me at least, is the perfect toolbox. I made the first one with my new vessel tools because that is my latest obsession in hand tools. The Japanese industry standard is just so precise. I love everything about it. One quick side note. If you are into vessel tools, if you are interested in purchasing some of those, please do me a favor. Do not buy them on Amazon. Please go to Eagle Tools. You know, those are my friends here in LA. It's a family-owned business. They have pretty much everything that Vessel has to offer. If not, call them, they can order it. Please don't buy at Amazon, especially right now, guys. Let's support local businesses, especially the really good ones like Eagle Tools. Anyways, I don't want to keep you guys too long because I think all I want to do is customize more of these boxes. Especially if you build them in bulk, it goes so fast. You can just pump out 10 boxes, do all the pre-drilling, put in all the aluminum parts, and then there you go. I think this is my new shop standard. I absolutely love it. In the next couple days, I will probably share a CAD file with my Patreon supporters of the whole box, so you can play with the geometrics and figure stuff out that you need. But until then, I want to thank you guys for watching, and please, let's hear it for this week's sponsor. This week's video is brought to you by HelloFresh. And HelloFresh, as we all know, is America's #1 meal kit. Why I'm using it, and you probably heard me talk about this before, is I'm going back between now, my new house, my workshop, and here we go, my new workshop. Yep, there's some big news coming your way, but so far, let's focus on what I eat. And I eat HelloFresh because it is not sustainable to keep 3 fridges stacked, so I just travel with my little meal kit that I order from HelloFresh. You can pick from a whole list of different things, like whatever floats your boat: keto, vegan, vegetarian, protein, whatever you're into, you can pick from their list, and then they will ship everything you need to prepare those meals fresh to you very conveniently to your doorstep. And if you're ever on a break or you're traveling to, let's say, South Korea to be part of a really, really cool art exhibition, that's another thing that's coming up, you can simply pause the subscription and continue whenever you are back. Another thing that HelloFresh and I agree on is that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. If you are interested in becoming a subscriber of HelloFresh, please use the promo code KAMPFMAR10, and that will give you 10 free meals and free breakfast with every box. So with every box they send you, there will be 1 free breakfast included until the end of time, as long as you're a subscriber. So again, the promo code is KAMPFMAR10, 10 free meals and free breakfast for life, as long as you are an active subscriber for HelloFresh and you live in the US. I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank HelloFresh for supporting my work, and I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy the Paracode color coding on my new toolboxes. I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye.